Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aquarius people, in this reading I'm going to see your current energy and your partner's current energy, and then we'll proceed with your readings. Oh, one card has fallen down on floor. Give me a second, guys. Sorry, so the card was Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, let's talk about Aquarius. Aquarius, Six of Wands. I feel that Aquarius, you have won some battle. You have got a victory in some kind of a war. And you are being very big time visionary, that you are not celebrating your victory as of now because your focus is on towards something else. Perhaps you are being somebody who wants to achieve something more. Okay, perhaps you have tasted a small victory right now. Now you are being focused, or you are focusing towards a big victory. Okay, this is the reason the Six of Wands is here. You are the king, you are the prince, you are the warrior, you have won this battle. And now your focus is towards something new, something big, something no one has achieved earlier. Alright, you are being passionate, you are being ambitious, you are being determined, you are being focused completely. Alright, this is your current energy, Aquarius. On the other hand, we have Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Your person is being somebody who is like so unstable in life right now. Okay, they must be dealing with a lot of financial crisis. I feel that probably they are going through some tough time or rough time in their life. Probably they are facing some financial issues in their life, or they are being so sad about certain things in their life. Okay, they are looking back in their life and they realize, okay, I did that mistake and I did that mistake, that's why my life has turned this way. What if I took the other step, then my life could be best. So they are being very regretful, they are being very sad, they are being very anxious. They feel that they have wasted their life. They feel that they are feeling not good enough. That's what I'm trying to say. They are going through some personality clashes, personality issues. Okay, now let's see how you see them and how they see you, Aquarius. How you see them and how they see you. How you see them and how they see you. How you see them and how they see you. Okay, I have seen the Lovers and Five of Wands. You see them as somebody who is your soulmate. You see them as somebody with whom you share a soul connection. You see them as somebody who can bring love and passion into your life. And along with that, with this Five of Wands card, I feel that somewhere in your mind you feel that you feel a huge conflict within your heart and mind. Because sometimes you feel that your heart says that yes, this is the person, and sometimes your mind says no, this is not the person with whom you can spend rest of your life. So you are being in a very conflict situation, or perhaps they are giving you a lot of false hints. Okay, sometimes you feel that they are very much into you, and sometimes you feel that they made you feel, or they make you feel that okay, I'm not thinking about you at all. So they are giving you mixed signals. That's why you are being confused. That's why there is a lot of conflicts is going on within your heart and mind, Aquarius. Okay, that's how you see them and feel about them. This person is not bringing peace into your life. Okay, this person is bringing conflicts into your life, even though no matter how soul connection you feel with this person, but yes, this person is bringing conflicts in your life. On the other hand, we have Two of Swords. Your person thinks and feels about you that you are somebody who is not letting them into your life. They see you as somebody who is very calm, very silent. Okay, but when it comes to relationship, you feel scared. You feel that you are not meant for this, or relationship is the thing which is not meant for you. You have closed your eyes as tight as you can. You have closed your heart as tight as you can. So the moment they try to come towards you or near you, they feel scared. They feel that the moment they'll come towards you, you will cut them out. Okay, so they feel that you are somebody who is not approachable, who is not easy to talk. All right, even though you have emotions, but somewhere you are just ignoring your emotions. Let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. Nine of Swords. No action. You feel depressed, you feel anxious, you feel worried, you feel sad about this person, because you feel that sometimes you feel that this person is your soulmate. Sometimes you feel that this person is not bringing that peace into your life, and this up and down, back and forth thing has made you really sick and tired. That's why you are being somebody who is unable to sleep in nights. Your thoughts haunts you. Your anxiety attacks are so huge on you that they are being, you feel sick and tired all the time. You feel that, oh my god, this is some kind of a burden on my heart. I can't sleep, I can't breathe. And I feel that this is the reason you are looking somewhere else, not towards this way. You are looking somewhere else. Perhaps you are trying to indulge yourself into your work, into your studies, into your goals. On the other hand, we have Ace of Pentacles. Your person is trying really hard to be with you. I don't know, they want to start something new in this relationship with you. They want to have a heart-to-heart conversation with you. What is happening? This is very conflicted reading, I must tell you. You feel that they are somebody who is not bringing peace into your life. They feel that you are being somebody who is not ready to let them into your life. What is happening? What is this? Reading is completely confusing. The action you are taking in this relationship is nothing. You are not doing anything. And on the other hand, your person wants to start something new with you. Perhaps they want to start a new business venture with you, or something related to finances, or maybe they want some solid commitment from you with regards to this relationship. I don't know, they want to start something new with you. And on the other hand, you are being completely depressed. I don't know what is happening with you, Aquarius. Let's see what you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. How you feel in this relationship, Aquarius, and how they feel in this relationship. You feel in this relationship with this Knight of Wands that yes, you should take certain action towards this person. As I told you, that you feel that this person is bringing, even though you feel that, or you see them as somebody who is your soulmate, okay, and moreover you also feel that your person is bringing conflicts into your life. That thing is making you really sick and tired, okay. So eventually when you see or when you think about this relationship, you want to take certain action towards them. You are willing to take certain action towards them, but the thing is that you are not doing anything. You are not doing anything. You are just standing still on this ground. Your horse is not moving anywhere, okay. He wants to move, he wants to run, but it's you who is not letting him, run. Your heart wants you to go and take action towards this person, but your mind is stopping you. There is a big conflict within your heart and mind, Aquarius. You want to take action, but you don't want to take action. You want to talk, but you don't want to talk. You want this person, but you don't want this person. Oh my God. On the other hand, Page of Cups. The moment you have entered into their life, Aquarius, your person feels that they have got some amazing person or some kind of amazing offer into their life, okay. They feel overwhelmed, they feel complete, they feel a sense of emotional fulfillment with you. They feel that this person is offering him or offering them a genuine proposal, okay. They feel that you are not, using them emotionally or financially or or physically. They feel that okay, I have got a genuine offer of love or emotion, even though you are not doing anything, but your presence is making them happy. Let's see what is mutual energy between you and your person, Aquarius. What is the mutual energy between both of you? Feeling heartbroken, both of you feeling abandoned by each other, both of you feels that the other person does not want me in their life anymore. Both of you feel that they have they have just left me out in cold, they don't want me, okay. This is the future. Oh my God, 3 cards. I'm not going to take all these cards. Let's see what is going to be the future potential of this relationship or this reading. Future potential of this Queen of Cups. Aquarius, I think it's you who is going to pretend as a Queen of Cups in future, because you have emotion for this person, but you are ignoring your emotions, you are ignoring your inner voice, you are killing your inner voice, okay. Your mind, your heart says that this is your person, your mind says that no, this is not the person, okay. This person may perhaps bring mental irritation into your life. That's why you feel anxious, you feel worried. You want to take action, but you are not taking any action. I feel that it's you, Aquarius. In future you are going to be in same energy. You have emotion for this person, you really want to give your love and affection to this person, but you are holding back your emotions. You have kept this cup in your hand. You feel that the moment you will put this cup down, the cup will this will fall out. So you feel that the moment you will express your emotions towards this person is definitely going to make a fuss about it, or you feel that they are going to make fun of you, but that's not the case. Now let's see what angels are advising you. Let's see what angels are advising Aquarius people. What angels are advising Aquarius people. One guidance angel message for Aquarius, please. No need to worry. You are, thinking your own, you are into your own energies, your own story zone. You have not taken any step, but you have, built a wall of a story around you, that okay, what if I say this thing, so what this person will say, and how will I react, or how I'm going to say, or what I'm going to say, or this and that, and blah blah blah. Angels are asking you to, no need to worry. There is no need to worry at all. You are thinking a lot. You need not to think much. Do what your heart says. Just follow your heart and do the action. Okay, don't worry, everything will be fine. Okay, so Aquarius, I feel that some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with the 6 of Wands, 5 of Wands, Knight of Wands, 7 of Wands in reverse. Okay, some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this 5 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, and sorry, did I say air sign to this? Sorry, this is Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, 7 of Pentacles, and air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, 2 of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this Queen of Cups. We have another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this 9 of Swords, and some of you could be dealing with Gemini with this Lovers card. All right. So Aquarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.